valve because you're getting a 7 flash. So you get a circuit board, you get a valve, and then we'll just swap the burner assembly just in case, which comes with a chamber sensor and everything else, because that was the one I took it off of had no issues. So
Okay.
we're just gonna move all that into this and hope that you continue to have no problems. So, which should be the case. That's usually how it goes. So.
Yeah, they're just notoriously bad boards, from what I hear.
Yeah, I mean, I love them personally because they, you know, I do well with them. I'm glad they invented them. I'm probably the only person, but yeah. All right.
I'll let you do your thing. You need about 15, 20 minutes, huh?
Something like that, yeah.
Okay.
All right, thanks. Okay, so we got a 7 flash or a code 7, and Rheem started asking him questions about the chamber sensor, wanted an ohm reading. Let's get this out of here. So I guess we could try and take an ohm reading. See what we get. Overload. Yeah, let's see. Let's just see what we get here, just for the heck of it. I got overload. Yeah, I can never get it to work. Alright, that was a waste of time. Here's a replacement. This is off of a Ruud water heater. I did a water heater installation, which I will link to. Let's see if I can do that. I will link to, wait, it always forces it in the left corner. Up here. So these are the parts off of that water heater. So this is the valve and the burner assembly, and we know it's good. Was an inner tank leak. Lady had like 80 plus psi water pressure. She's been calling me like every day too. She's crazy. I guess we could try an ohm reading on this valve. So waste more time here. Let's see what we get. Turns itself on. Supposed to wait a minute. Let's see what we get. Here we get 11 on the pilot. And 11 on the main gas lines. So. Okay, so the new valve is in. Try and put the cover on. We're gonna come in like this. That's all right. Okay. Well, this is impossible for me to do here. This is very difficult. Good flow of gas coming out of there. It's the one we worked on last time. Still going strong. Might recognize this. Recognize this Rheem a little bit. Working on the Rheem. Light on? Doesn't matter.
Yeah, if you could leave it on, that'd be great.
Still with us? I usually like to fast forward through this stuff.
Alright, so old parts.
Yeah. Yeah, for here. I am. Back off. I gotta go to the one here.
New parts, got a blue light.
There you go.
So, should be able to fire this bad boy out. Already sounds better. We'll regret this, but we'll leave all this. Alright, that's it. So, anything wrong with that? Nope, we're good there. Anything wrong with this? Oh, I don't see anything wrong there. There's the old chamber sensor. There where I left it. This is off of this water heater. That is the parts department. Alright. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel. So we replaced the valve, the circuit board, and the burner assembly, which includes the pilot assembly. So all brand new or previously used working parts. And we'll see if it carries over to this water heater.